If Audacity is showing error code 5, don't worry. This is usually a Windows permissions issue, and in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through the most common causes and the fastest ways to get Audacity working again. We'll check your folder permissions, look at Windows security settings, and then try the simple admin fix that solves the problem for a lot of users. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's understand what error code 5 usually means. In many cases, Audacity is being blocked by Windows from writing files, saving projects, or accessing certain hardware. That means the issue is not always Audacity itself. It can be the folder you're saving to or a security feature in Windows that is stopping the app from doing what it needs to do. The first thing to check is your folder permissions. If you're trying to save your Audacity project to an external drive, a network location, or a protected folder like OneDrive, Windows may block that action. To test this, save a small project directly to your desktop instead. The desktop is usually a much safer location for troubleshooting because it avoids a lot of folder permission issues. If Audacity works fine on the desktop, then you've likely found the problem. In that case, you can move your projects to a different folder later, but for now, keep testing in a simple location where Windows is less likely to interfere. If saving to the desktop fixes it, the next step is to review the permissions on the original folder. Right-click the folder, go to Properties, and then check the security settings if needed. Make sure your Windows account has permission to read and write files there. If the folder is managed by OneDrive or another sync service, try pausing sync temporarily or choosing a local folder outside of protected cloud storage. That alone can solve the issue for many users. Now, let's move on to a very common Windows 11 feature that causes this problem: controlled folder access. This is part of Windows security and is designed to protect your files from ransomware, but sometimes it also blocks trusted apps like Audacity. To check this, open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. From there, scroll down and select Manage Ransomware Protection. Here, you'll see the Controlled Folder Access setting. If Controlled Folder Access is turned on, it may be preventing Audacity from saving projects or changing files. You have two options here. The first option is to temporarily turn off Controlled Folder Access to test whether that is the cause. The second option is to leave it on for security and add Audacity to the Allow list. If you want to keep protection enabled, adding Audacity is usually the better choice. Just make sure you trust the app and that you're downloading it from the official source. After making the change, close Windows Security and try Audacity again to see if the error is gone. If you still see error code 5, the next fix is very simple. Run Audacity as an administrator. Sometimes the app just needs extra permission to access files or hardware properly. To do this, right-click the Audacity icon and select Run as Administrator. If Audacity opens normally after that, you've confirmed it was a permissions issue. If you want, you can also set it to always run as administrator by opening its properties and changing the compatibility settings. But for most people, just launching it with admin privileges is enough to test the fix. At this point, you should try your original action again. Save the project, export the file, or open the hardware device that was giving you trouble. In many cases, one of these three fixes will clear up Audacity Error Code 5 immediately. Start with the desktop test, then check Controlled Folder Access, and finally try running as administrator. That order is usually the fastest way to isolate the problem without changing more than you need to. If the issue is still happening, double-check that Audacity is fully updated and that your Windows system is up to date as well. Security software and Windows updates can sometimes affect app permissions, so keeping everything current can help avoid repeated errors in the future. Also, if you recently changed where your project files are stored, try moving them back to a simple local folder and test again. So to recap, if Audacity Error Code 5 appears, it is usually caused by Windows blocking file access. First, test saving to your desktop. Second, check Controlled Folder Access in Windows Security and either allow Audacity or turn the feature off temporarily. Third, right-click Audacity and run it as administrator. One of these steps should get you back on track. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes, tutorials, and software troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.